Hey yo, what's good? Remember when I said we got fidget spinners? So my cousin has a fidget spinner too. Forgot to tell you, but he got gold. So this is my second favorite cousin right here. Get over here. He's the one that made the Call of Duty Black Ops. Oh, we forgot to put that one up on the YouTube, on the Minecraft video.
Yeah, so sorry about that.
Yeah. So, but we just like we figured out something to do. We're gonna stack our fidget spinners while spinning them. But like, let me move the camera a little back. My fidget shoes all the way over here.
I got my shoes. I got my shoes.
Okay. So. Okay.
Let me try to stack these.
Guys, go!
Go, baby.
No, guys.
Second try.
I'll go first. Go.
Look at the camera. It looks like it's going slow.
No, but like, I already told him on the other video that it looks like so slow. That's why.
It looks slow, but it's actually going fast.
Wait, stop it like that. Cause like, because it was falling off the building. That's why.
In the camera, it goes so fast.
No,
that it looks like
the
it's
red
going
one first,
slow.
the red one first.
Look, see?
And then
You
mine.
got the baby ready?
Look, guys, look. I'm gonna do the force.
And mine.
That Bill Forrest baby with you guys. Okay,
Stop! Oh,
force.
Actually,
Okay,
just
go.
spinning.
Go, baby.
Go, put yours on.
Put yours first, baby. And then go, and then mark, and then put that one mark. My mark. Put mine on.
dang it!
You're supposed to hold it down.
Can't.
Spin it.
No,
No,
I
let baby spin it. Here, I'll do it. Okay, there. Angel, Pierce.
Okay.
No!
Let's go over a little bit.
Okay.
Go. You don't let baby do it. Baby don't know how to do it.
I'll do mine.
Cause it's falling. That's why.
Wait, let me try.
Put it on straight.
You have to put on straight, guys. You have to put on straight.
Oh,
How about Mario's first?
No, it's gonna fall because mine's little.
Yeah. Mine's stopping.
Oh my gosh.
Cause it's on.
No,
you did it the wrong way.
No, I got it.
You put it on the wrong way like this.
Why?
Like that.
Oh, shoot! Move your hand.
Why?
See, Shut up, Mark. Go. Hurry before it stops. Yeah, before it stops. It almost fell. Okay. This looks like a cake. That's banana. This is a masterpiece.
It got one,
Let this go to the museum.
It got 4.
Let this go to the museum.
It got 4.
Hey, bro.
Hashtag.
You got
museum
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 fidget spinners.
Heads.
If you guys,
Hey guys.
no. If you guys know what type of fidget spinner this is, leave it down in the comments below.
Hey guys, I am gonna make a YouTube video on Tuesday, but it's only gonna be me, cause I'm gonna be gone, cause I'm going on my San Antonio field trip this weekend, like on Tuesday. So yeah, hope you like this video and subscribe. Bye.
I'll miss
No,
this guy.
We need to make
And stay, shut it up. And peace.
subscribe if we can get
Peace out,
4,000
guys.
likes on this video.
Oh, yeah.
We'll make like a basketball video.
I'll kill this guy if you put 4,000 likes.
Fuck you.
kidding, guys, kidding. It's a joke, just a go, cause I got it from a friend.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Peace.
Peace out.
Peace
guys.
out.